Don't worry, Wind-Up. I'll have you all together in no time. In no time at all. This is it. Your pig out program. I can almost taste it now. Rich, succulent, delicious, mouth-watering pork. The other white meat. Now, let's start you up. Dinner is served. All right, Wind-Up, you're ready. Go get those 3 little pigs and bring home the bacon. Now, go! And don't come back without them.
Can I help you? Wanted 3 little pigs. Hey, you guys seen any little pigs? Us? No. No little pigs around here. I'm sorry, sir. There's no little pigs living here. See you around. Bye-bye.
Huh?
See you around. Bye-bye.
Add a dash of pepper and a pinch of salt, and then you stir briskly with a big spoon and pour in the pan.
I just love these cooking shows. Who's that? I'll get it.
ain't got a day. Hey, where are you going? Hey, you bucket of bolts. What are you doing with that? Come on, put that down, you tin can. No!
Special delivery for the big bad wall.
Huh? Wind up! What did they do to you? Speak to me, buddy. Say something.
Say, boss, what do you say we just order out for pizza?